What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mills Kicks, and I'm back with another live cop. So here we go. I'm going through my pages. I'm setting up my Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action, East Bay, and Hibbett. So here it is, setting everything up. It's about 10 minutes before the drop, I think, or 3 minutes before the drop. I don't remember. So it's about 3 minutes before the drop. So we're gonna do it that way. And make sure, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and let me know how it's going. If you like the live cop videos, please let me know so I can keep making more live cop videos. So here we go. I got everything all set up. Now we just wait for the drop and see how it goes. So now 1 second, here we go, trying to add to the cart, and I get an error. Of course I get the error because you cannot add to cart. It's gonna make me go back, refresh. Now I'm in the waiting room. I'm in the waiting room for all the sites, and I just keep on trying. I actually ended up trying to get Hibbetts. Hibbetts would add to cart. It let me go to checkout, but from checkout I was not able to get through. It kept giving me errors after errors. I don't understand how Hibbett actually works, because it lets you cart, almost check out, and then it just kept giving me error. Then it kept telling me to verify if I was a human, and then it would just do token mismatch. I don't know what that is. It's gonna send me back to the home page. So I tried it one more time. I went back to the checkout, tried to check out again. It's loading, hit, and then again, verify you're a human. And that was about it. I couldn't get out of the verify if you was a human part. So I ended up just scrapping that and not even bothering, because it was a waste of time. So I tried a couple more sites, went to Lapstone. They weren't on there yet for some reason. Kept waiting, and checked a couple more sites and going back and forth between different sites just to see if I could get a size 12. No size 12 anywhere. Could not find a size 12 on any of the sites, so I just kept on going, kept checking for more and more. Still in the waiting room for the Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action, and East Bay. I really don't understand how they do these these sites, because they put you in the waiting room while everybody else is cooking. I just never understand that. By the time I got out, and here we go, I get out of the waiting room and everything is already gone, already all sold out. Can't add on no site, not one site would add for me, and it was just a waste of time from that standpoint. So I just kept trying, and then finally I just said, you know what, I'm giving up. It's gonna be L's today. But then I remembered that I actually had put in an ACO for size 12. And lo and behold, to my luck, I actually got the email that the order went through. So thankfully for that, thankfully for the ACO, I was able to get at least one pair. So hope you guys enjoyed my video, and until the next video, I'm out. Peace.